Good morning, children. Today we will continue our chapter Multiples and Factors. In the last class, we had learned about multiples. We had learned that multiples are nothing but multiplication tables. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Right? Today we will learn about common multiples. If we take two numbers and find their multiples, we will find that they may have some multiples which are same, right? Suppose we take an example of 4 and 5. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. What are the common multiples of 4 and 5? The common multiples means the same multiples. Find out which are the same multiples of 4 and 5. 20 is the multiple of 4 as well as multiple of 5. So, 20 is the first common multiple. Similarly, the next common multiple I have marked red, 40. 40 is the second common multiple. If you see here, children, that 20 is the first, 40 is the second. The third will be 60, like this. How you know? Because 20 ones are 20. The next multiple will be 20 twos are 40. The next common multiple will be 23s are 60. Like this, you can find the common multiples. The common multiples of 4 and 5 will be 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, then 100. Like this it will continue. We don't know the last common multiple because we cannot count till the end. We know that numbers are uncountable. What is least common multiple or lowest common multiple? The first common multiple is called as the LCM, or the lowest or least common multiple. LCM is 20. The first common multiple is 20. So, LCM is 20. Now, here some examples are given. LCM of 6 and 8 means the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 you will have to find out. First, you will have to find out the multiples. What is the multiples of 8? What are the multiples of 6? First, you find out 6. For 6, the multiples are 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, like that. It continues till 60. Again, for multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and it continues. So, what are the common multiples of 6 and 8? They are circled here. 24 is the first common multiple. Then the next common multiple is 48. Next will be 24 into 3. That is 72. Okay. Like this, the common multiples are 24, 48, 72 and so on. Okay. Now, which is the least common multiple or LCM? The least common multiple is 24. The next common multiple will be 48, but LCM is 24. So, we have found out the LCM of 6 and 8, it is 24. The next example is find the common multiples and LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Here 3 numbers are given. You have to find out the multiples and then you will have to find out the LCM. First, find out the multiples. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 24. Like this it continues. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30 and so on. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 and so on. Right? Now we have to find out which are the multiples that are common to 2, 3 and 4. Encircle them. They are encircled here as 12. 12 is the first common multiple. The next common multiple is 24. What will be the next? I told you, you just have to multiply with 1, 2, 3 like this. The next will be 12 3s are 36. Right? You have to multiply the LCM with 1, then you will find the LCM, then with 2 the next common multiple 24. The next common multiple 12 3s are 36, the next common multiple 12 4s are 48, and like this we can find out more common multiples. But the LCM is 12. Okay, LCM is 12. So we come to exercise 2 of this chapter on page 55. I will tell you few examples, rest you have to complete and submit to me during the clarification hours. Okay. First question is, list the first 10 multiples of the following numbers. Find the common multiples and write the LCM also. 2 and 3, the example is already given. What are the multiples of 2? Find them. First 10 multiples, still 2 tens are, right? Also you have to find the first 10 multiples of 3. 3 tens are. Okay, now you have to find out what are common to 2 and 3. What are the common multiples? You will see that the common multiples will be 12, then 24, like this. Okay, the LCM will be 12. Okay, then you will have to find out same process you will have to apply to 4 and 5. The next question is 4 and 5. Find out the first 10 multiples of 4, first 10 multiples of 5, then encircle the common multiples and find out which is the least common multiple. Similarly, you will have to find out the LCM for 8 and 10, 9 and 12, 3 and 9, 10 and 20, 15 and 20, 15 and 18. Just find out the multiplication tables till 10. Okay. Then you will find out the LCM, means the lowest common multiple. You will encircle the common multiples. Then from there you will find out which is the first common multiple. That will be the LCM. The second question is, find out, list the multiples of 12, 15 and 20, encircle the common multiples and then find the LCM. The same method. Third one is find the LCM of 14 and 21. Here also you will find out the tables of 14 and 21. Then you will find out the LCM. The fourth question, the first common multiple of 6 and 15 is 30. The second common multiple of 6 and 15 is 60. Find the third, fourth and fifth common multiples of 6 and 15. I told you the method how to find out the common multiples if you know the LCM, right? You just have to multiply with 1. LCM multiplied by 1 is the LCM. LCM multiplied by 2 is the second common multiple. LCM multiplied by 3 is the third common multiple. LCM multiplied by 4 is the fourth common multiple. LCM multiplied by 5 is the fifth common multiple. Like this it continues. Okay. So the LCM of 6 and 15 has been given as 30. The next common multiple will be 60. The next will be 30 into 3, 90. Next will be 30 into 4, 120. 30 into 5, 150. Right. These common multiples of 6 and 15. Fifth question is, the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Find the next 5 common multiples. LCM is given, it is 10. So what will be the next common multiples? Just multiply 10 with 1, the LCM, 10 with 2, the next common multiple, that is 20 is the next common multiple, 30 is the third common multiple, 40 is the fourth, 50 is the fifth common multiples. Like this, next 5 you have to write down. Means the first has been given, the next 5 means till 6 you have to write. 10 into 6, 60 is the last, right? Sixth question, study the diagram carefully and answer the questions. Here in the grey part, you will find that these are the multiples of 6. The blue circle, it is having the multiples of 9. And the common place, the place which is 18, 36, 54 and 72 is written. This place is common multiples. Okay, these are the common multiples of 6 and 9. Right? If you study the figure nicely, you will just come to know that the greyish part is the multiples of 6, bluish part is the multiples of 9. Now you have to answer the questions. A, list the multiples of 6. The greyish portion you will have to write down all the numbers. Okay. B, list the multiples of 9. The blue portion you will have to write here. blue part 9, 45, 27, 81, 63. These are the multiples of 9. Then list the common multiples of 6 and 9. Common multiples are written in between the two circles, the common area 18, 36, 54 and 72. These are the common multiples of 6 and 9. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? Means the lowest common multiple you have to find out. Which is the LCM here? 18 is the smallest, right? LCM, right? So this is the end of the exercise 2. It is your homework to complete the exercise and submit it to me. If you have any doubt regarding the class, you can ask me during the clarification hours. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.